Welcome, and thank you for joining us and celebrating the first year of the Trager Institute's move to our new facility and the opening of the Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic.
I'm Steve Trager, the Chairman and CEO of Republic Bank. I'm pleased to be a part of this celebration of the University of Louisville's Trager Institute in the Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic. A little more than a year ago, the Trager Institute in Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic opened its doors to innovate the aging experience for individuals, the community, and industry through leading-edge clinical practice, collaborative research, community care models, and interprofessional education. In spite of the many challenges that were met over the year, the Trager team was able to build a beautiful, multi-dimensional facility that's able to provide interdisciplinary medical and behavioral health care, alternative health interventions, community care and connections, research, and workforce development that will help all of us age optimally.
We set lofty goals for ourselves, and we could not have reached them without strong collaboration with our University of Louisville colleagues. Let's hear how our university partnerships have grown over the past year.
I'm really proud of the Trager Institute for how they really leaned in and stepped up around this area. They took a lead in telehealth using technology like the Google Glass. The Trager Institute has partnered with the Christina Lee Brown Enviro Institute in creating a post-COVID clinic. This will focus on any health problems that arise and do everything they can to optimize their health going forward.
I'm happy to be a part of this video celebrating the Trager Institute and Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic. Our collaboration with the Trager Institute has allowed us to enhance our training with the ability to place baccalaureate level to doctorate level nursing students to learn how to practice in an interdisciplinary team approach. The strength of this setting is for learners to experience the expertise of our professionals. In addition, our students and faculty have the opportunity to participate in cutting-edge research.
I'm happy to be a part of the video celebrating the Trager Institute and the Republic Bank Optimal Aging 1-year anniversary. The Kent School places approximately 35 to 40 social work students in their practicum or internship at the Trager Institute and Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic. The collaboration helps us develop well-rounded students that are ready to enter the healthcare field with advanced skills upon graduation. Coupled with our innovative curriculum at Kent School, we believe these students help us fulfill the mission of the Trager Institute to promote optimal aging. The Kent School is committed to closely working with our partners at the Trager Institute, and we look forward to future success.
I could not be more excited about what the Trager Institute is doing for this community. Its interdisciplinary approach to helping older adults in our community is absolutely the right way to go. That is how we are going to make for healthier, happier communities. And I really look forward to partnering with the Trager Institute going ahead so that our students can provide important services that all of us need.
The past year has been challenging for all of us, but at the Trager Institute, we use the time to build our staff and clinic to meet the needs of our community. Let's meet Dr. Christian Furman, our medical director.
So the Trager Institute is the go-to place, the one-stop shopping for older adults because we provide interdisciplinary care. We have a wellness approach. We're able to incorporate ancillary services like Tai Chi and exercise and meditation and a teaching kitchen to teach you how to cook. We're able to incorporate the physical, the mental, the social, spiritual. We're able to do advanced care planning, and we use the interdisciplinary team to achieve that. Aging optimally it's a mindset, it's a resilience. I mean, just being alive at 100 is not the goal, but being alive at 100 and being functional and independent and healthy at 100 is the goal.
As you all know, in order to be successful, it is necessary to have an energized and compassionate staff and happy patients.
I love working with geriatrics. The providers I work with are extremely nice. I couldn't see myself working with no other providers but the geriatric team. Within the first part of my day, I might see 15 people. I get to laugh and talk with them at least 20 minutes where I can really sit down and talk to them. We can communicate, and that's what's very important to me.
I really like going there. They really help me out a whole lot. Ain't a bad thing. I can say about them. They're a real good group of people there.
I can use relaxation techniques I learned in this program. I can use self-hypnosis. I get rest, proper amount of sleep, and also I can give myself a little space.
Leadership is interested in what the providers have to offer and can bring to this practice, and that are willing to listen, get our input as to what we can do to help the patients. And some of the doctors have asked if I could take over certain patients of theirs that do have a complicated care, but they entrust me, and I do appreciate that.
The Trager Institute is also a place of learning. Each year we have over 50 students placed in practicums and who work on grants that have brought in over $3 million in 2020.
I'm here at Trager this semester with my 10-student clinical group. It's such a welcoming place because it's big and bright, and they played a nice jazz music. It's very soothing, and the staff is just great to work with, just to see the growth and potential that they have here. When this opportunity came and Trager was open to having students, I was like, yes, let's do this.
I really do like working with the students. It can be a lot of fun. That also helps me with my skills. I can see where I'm growing just because I'm working with the students. I did my practicum placement with Trager, and then I was hired on full-time. I was supervising other students, and the first year at the clinic was a little intimidating, to say the least. But as the time went, I was like, oh gosh, I really do know this, and I really do have something to pass on to the students. It's going to be very exciting for me to watch it grow.
We have actually a very interesting collaboration with Trager. We have on a constant basis about 5 graduate students placed with Trager and provided basically through Trager mental health services. We reach people that we wouldn't reach otherwise. We are looking forward to collaborating with all the amazing healthcare innovations that the future has in store.
The Trager Institute knows access to healthcare is a challenging problem for seniors, especially in rural areas throughout our state. That is why we are branching out to help those patients who might not otherwise have access to care.
I'm located with the Henderson Settlement in Bell County. The Henderson Settlement was established in 1927. Since then, they have been looking for ways to positively impact individuals' lives in the communities. We're able to provide services that they would not have access to without the partnership that Trager has with the Henderson Settlement. There's so many of these individuals that are isolated. I had one man and he said, could you come back and just sit outside and talk with me? It reminds you of why you're doing what you're doing. There's one person that was grateful to see you yesterday.
As you can imagine, without support from donors in our community, it is impossible to achieve our goals.
Now more than ever, we are so grateful for the community that has funded, celebrated, and advocated for the Trager Institute. At a time when everything feels uncertain, we find comfort and encouragement knowing that you care about our community and the work we are achieving. We wish you and your family well in these challenging times. We would like to provide special thanks to the Trager Family Foundation, the Republic Bank Foundation, and the late Dr. Jack C. Wright and his family.
We're proud to be a part of this initiative at UofL and offer our continued support. I encourage you to visit them either in person or virtually so you can see for yourself their one-stop shop for holistic healthcare.
We hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to you visiting the Trager Institute and Republic Bank Optimal Aging Clinic. Feel free to give us a call at 502-588-4340 or stop in and say hello.